Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add transition on your TikTok video. So pick a video. Alright, so I'm just picking any other video on TikTok. Okay, now just tap on next. So it's just preparing the video, right? Now here you can see you need to tap on next and then tap on effects option on the bottom left side. Now here you can see there are options available, so you need to tap on transition, which is in the center on the bottom center option. So here you will be able to just if you select any transition to add on your video, you can simply just select. So you can just slide and simply add the transition where you want to add, and you can see the indicator as well. So you need to just do that according to need. So yep, and this way you can add transition on your TikTok video. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.